Welcome back to Pascal Potatoes. Today, me and my little brother and mom are going to be making massive bubbles.
Alright, so the first thing we have here is a tub full of water. Now we need to add in there the laundry detergent. That's the blue. Pour that in there.
Now, do I need the other?
Yep, and then pour in the other one.
Okay, after you go, you can hit that one. I already hit one.
Okay, now take one of those beaters there and we're going to mix it up.
Got this one.
And stir it up. Okay. And now we're going to add in the glycerin. That's in that little tube there. The glycerin is going to make the bubbles stiffer. Pour it in and mix it up. Uh-oh, you lost your guy.
So there it is.
All right, you should be ready to make some massive bubbles now. You can make a funnel bubble. Whoa, there's a big funnel bubble. Oh, it's still coming out. Oh my gosh, keep going. Keep going, it's huge. Oh.
I hit my arm. It could have stayed alive.
Ooh. Well, instead of going sideways, Ephraim, why don't you try putting it downward? Now push it down. There you go. There, see? Do it like that.
Make a tiny bubble instead.
We'll make a really big one. Push it down. Whoa! Whoa! Got a big funnel bubble. Still there. Oh!
Let me try that one again. See? You want to go?
Oh, it's still there, Ephraim. That is a strong bubble.
Now the funnel.
Oh, it popped. That one was a big one. It went a long time. Now just pull it straight up so we can see it. Ooh, put it back down. Do it again. Pull it up. Let's see how the water goes through the big bubble. Whoa, that's making some good bubbles.
What's mine? What's mine? Go slow. Did you guys just see that giant bubble that was just like around it? Look around your house and see what you can make more bubbles with. Bye.